Cooked fresh by the river, these native sea snails are a true Filipino delicacy. Simple, flavorful, and packed with heritage. Sautéed with garlic, tomatoes, and a pinch of salt, the aroma alone will make your mouth water. It's a dish that brings back memories of home, nature, and community. There's something incredibly satisfying about gathering your own ingredients and cooking right where the water flows. Have you ever tried this kind of dish before? If not, you're missing out on a rustic culinary experience. Let us know your favorite snail recipe in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more traditional and outdoor cooking adventures. Ask ChatGPT.
Kain po tayo mga ka-jobs, kain po. Labi. 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 Ang sarap ng kulang labi. Kain po, kain. Nas. Kaon.